families and friends. When I look at the prophet Jeremiah and Isaiah and Ezekiel and how God chose them to prophesy, and they were laughed at, they were mocked, but that didn't stop them. They continued to prophesy. People have visions, people have prophecies. I had a vision the other morning that I was in a home and I started to pray. As I prayed with others, I started to float in the air. And I floated outside the house. And in the back of this house was a school. So I ended up in the back of the schoolyard. And the voice of God started to speak through me. And he said, I am angry with the Bahamas. In the school, it was a private school, Christian school. The children was outside, holding up their phones, recording. And I was floating in the air. And God himself was speaking. And here's what he says. I'm a God of wrath. I'm angry at the Bahamas. Boys thinking they're girls and girls thinking they're boys. And he told the teachers to pray for the children. I'm not talking about people who are playing church or pretending or hypocrites. I'm real prayer warriors. His children to pray for the school children. And everyone was gathered outside, the children and the teacher. And he was saying how angry he was at the Bahamas. So they are our children. They are the future generation. Our schools are ramping with that spirit of homosexuality. It's ramping. We need to pray. We need to fast and pray. We need to pray over our children that spirit don't attach themselves to them. That's ramping in the school. God is angry. God is angry at this nation. Every day something is happening. Every day is a murder or something else is happening. I've never seen it like this before. I'm in my early 60s. I've never seen it like this before. So it tells you that God is angry at this nation. And if we don't repent and turn around, start to live unto God,